Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. The day is December 24th, 2020, and this is my weekly trade review, where I review a morning NASDAQ trade. That's a QQQ trade, where I'm looking at that first 5-minute candle. If that first 5-minute candle is red, I look to trade down. If that first 5-minute candle is green, I look to trade up. There's a ton more rules to this other than those two simple rules. And this is all for educational purposes only, because we all know trading is risky. You can and you will lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. This is not a trade recommendation. So I'll be posting this out here on our Right Side Facebook page, our Right Side, on my Right Side YouTube page, Right Side Trader, and out there on Twitter. Again, let's go ahead and jump right into this, get it over with. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the week. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Let me go ahead and get that in right now. This is Christmas Eve, and I need to do a couple of more things, just really one more thing. That's it. But let's get this over with. Daily picture. Daily picture, we was back here, we was going up, we had formed this bearish looking pattern. We did get what we expect that next day. It did open lower and went lower, but it came back up, you know, and now we're getting this little sideways action. And it's acting like it wants to break that top, but it's got to consolidate a little bit below that area. It did, it's going to bust through. That's me with my bullish mindset. That's just my opinion, so don't take it too serious. Although I've been watching this thing for quite some while, I kind of see what happens, what's going on out there, you know. But you got to learn to make your money in both directions. When you see something like that bearish pattern there, you gotta play it right. You know, it gave you a nice little push to the downside and back up. So learn to see that, and it's kind of going sideways, doing a little wedge. Let's see what happens next week. Like I said, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But I know you'll be hearing from me one more time before the end of the year, I believe. So let's go ahead and look at how the week went. Monday. That was that little push up, and then there was our downward play that we was kind of expecting on Monday. Had a nice play to the downside. It fired. The thing is that this fired, and it kind of went sideways. But since we was expecting this, we had a nice play to the downside. You know, although this was a green candle up, fake out, based on what we had saw the previous day, we was expecting this, and then it gave you a nice play back to the upside. That's how that's how we trade. Yeah, let me just leave that alone. Then you got another red candle. You got a red candle fake out. You know, first of all, it didn't give you that nice play. Again, we get a lot of fake outs these days, and then it gave you a nice little play back to the upside. Again, this top, this 310 has been kind of like the magic number, seem like. I've been seeing that a lot. And then back to the downside. Made us a nice, pretty bearish, bullish-looking pattern down here, and back to the upside. You know, nice trading both directions these days. This is Wednesday. This is Wednesday. And Wednesday, nice red candle to the downside, big candle. I hate these big candles, but if you played this and you played it, okay, it's not going back up here anymore and back down to the downside. It still was a pretty good play for you, and so you was able to play it to the downside. You saw all this stuff happening. You might have had a nice little play back to the upside. If you didn't get what you want and it came back down against you again, you got it maybe on this next play back on the way back up. This was Wednesday. I remember this day right here. Wednesday. Day is Thursday. So yes, this was yesterday. I remember this, and we did play this, and when this thing dropped back down here, I did get in, and I got out this morning. That's why I'm done. And I just played a little bit of it. The day is Thursday. And I got out, you know, a little bit up here. Like I say, this 310 area has been the magic number. It hasn't been one to break. So I always get out a little bit below that area, and the way I set things up. And that was it. And I'm done. This thing can keep going higher, you know, but I've gotten to the point where I make the money that I expect to make, what I want to make, and I'm done with it. I'm not leaving anything on the table. I took everything off the table that I wanted to take off the table. I hear people saying that, you know, and that's just really screwing your head up, in my opinion. Because again, now you're always thinking this coulda, woulda, shoulda, did this and all that. No, you have your plan and you follow your plan. You know, that's the key. You know, just get a plan and follow that plan. and keep repeating that. If it's successful, just keep repeating it over and over and over and over, and you will see your account grow as long as you're making good trades. Again, this is Solomon from Right Side Trading. Hoping you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Talk to you later. Bye.